Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Tony from Automate Reviews. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing, installing, and testing out this dash camera from Fitcamx. They sent it out to me and I've been testing it for a couple weeks. And I must say I've been pretty impressed with it. But one of my favorite features is I'll show you this. You may be asking, I don't see anything, but the dash camera is actually installed right there. So it kind of goes over your lane watch, replaces your lane watch sensor cover, and the whole dash camera is integrated right there. So I love that nice clean OEM look. There's no wires running down below or anything. There's no camera obstructing your view. So I just love that clean OEM look. So we're going to test it out, and if by the end of this video you're interested in picking up one of these cameras for your Tacoma or any other vehicle that they sell this product for, there's a link in my description and you guys will get a percentage discount off your order. So let's check it out. Here's a look at how everything comes in the box from the factory. The kit came with a wiring harness to connect the camera to the vehicle. It's a true plug-and-play setup, no modifications needed. Also came with a micro SD card reader to USB, so you can take the SD card and plug it into your computer to download the videos. Also came with a removal tool, but I didn't need to use it in Tacoma, but it's nice it came with it. It also comes with a 64 gigabyte SD card already installed in the camera. First part of the install is you want to move your mirror out of the way so you have plenty of room to work with. Then you want to grab the cover for your Toyota Safety Sense equipment and you want to slide it down towards the dash while staying along the windshield. Now you want to transfer over the two orange clips that's on the Toyota cover, and these are going to be placed onto the dash cam cover. Here's a closer look at the orange clips. They lock into place when you push the clip all the way back. There's a little notch in the plastic that it sits in. Now let's transfer those orange clips onto the Fitcamx dash cam. Now let's remove the wire from the Toyota Safety Sense module by lifting up on the tab and pulling the wire out. Next, we're going to connect that wire into the wiring harness that came with the kit. And once that plugs into the harness, you can plug the harness back into the Toyota Safety Sense module. Now we're ready to hook up the power supply to the camera. So both the female and male connectors for the power cable on the harness and the camera has a notch and a groove. So there's only one way the connector can connect. So just line those up and you'll be good to go. Okay, the final step is just installing the camera to the windshield. So we're going to kind of reverse the process of removing the cover. So just push the dash camera towards the windshield and you want to slide it up into the top covering the Toyota Safety Sense module, and it should click right into place. You turn your vehicle on, your dash camera should have the blue lights indicating there's power to it and it's ready to record. To access the camera's features and settings, first you have to download the Fitcamx onto your phone. It does support Apple or Android. And once you download the app, the first thing you want to do is connect your phone via Wi-Fi to the camera. And once you do that, and you connect it via Wi-Fi, you can then open the app and connect the app with your camera. Several cool features on the camera that I like is there's a G sensor mode that during driving, if it senses a collision, the camera will lock the video automatically. Also, the way the camera records, it does loop recording, which means the camera is constantly recording, but it's only doing it in certain time increments. I believe the camera you can set between 1 minute loops or 5 minute loops. So that way, if you ever do have to go back and look into your camera, you don't have to sit there and sift through, hours of footage. So if it just recently happened or you're looking back, it's just 1, 2, 3 minute videos. So that's usually easier to send in a file anyway. So I do like that feature. All right, thanks for watching my video. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. And if you are interested in the product, there is a link in my description with a coupon code to get a 6% off your order. So check that out if you are interested in buying a camera. Please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for the support, and I'll see you on the next video.